gathering up energy. This is for the spring season. Pushing out, gathering up, and then we go to the next season, the summer. Pushing out like the autumn. Which is letting go. And then push down for winter, like grounding your roots. And then we start again, spring. Bring in that positive energy, push up. Gather down, like feeling the sun's energy. And then push forward, letting go of any tension, like a tree releasing its leaves. Push down and feel the ground with your toes, gripping the ground. Feeling the feet like roots. And then just relax again into the Wuji stance. Opening up space in the body. Feeling the energy of the heart. The Shen or the aura that you feel around you right now. Everyone has an aura. Every form, because within the form is the formless energy.